Yo guys, so try to keep this video short. I'm gonna edit this video anyways, but I want to show you guys the four BB guns that I use. So I have 2 metal and 2 plastic. See you there. First one, CO2. I have copper rounds for it. Not bad of a pistol. Other one is a AK. You can put a scope. That's exciting. What do I want to say? Orange tip, and this is what it sounds like. Oh, it doesn't work. I guess it's dead. R76. I think that's the name of the gun. I don't think it's. But I'll show you guys my other one. All right, my last one shoots it shoots CO2, shoots metal pellets. Also got copper. Okay. Boom. This is the rifle. Mine's is dirty. This is really beautiful to shoot. Not bad. I don't know nothing about guns. One right here. Just when you look through that hole, makes this point small.